Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or FiTrade for short, knowledge for everyone. My name is Alex Cho, and right now I'm going to be talking about the GLD SPDR Gold ETF Fund. And basically the SPDR Gold Fund is basically a fund that holds onto the actual physical commodity gold. And just a quick review of that. But basically gold did have a pretty deep negative session on the day. It fell down. It kind of held on to that 50-day moving average a bit. But again, this I already talked about this on the previous session already yesterday. Gold already fell in the overnight. Now it's kind of consolidating. It's trying to hold on to that 50 and 20-day moving average throughout the session. We were very volatile. On the upside, we kind of swung up, then we pulled back, and then we kind of closed to be in the neutral zone. Now, again, we still lost on the session. I believe gold will continue to fall. I don't think the 50-day or the 20-day moving average will be much support. The main reason why I come to this conclusion is that it is a very dollar-driven market. And the whole idea behind trading based off the dollar is that if the value of the dollar does continue to rally, if the dollar continues to rally, gold will continue to fall. And this is because, again, the XAG US dollar foreign exchange fund, or the foreign exchange currency pair, basically, the gold market is traded against the dollar market. So if the dollar continues to rally, well, gold has to depreciate in comparison to the value of the dollar. But the whole idea here is basically this, inverse correlation between gold and dollar. Gold goes down, chances are dollar continues to go up. The main reason why the dollar is going higher is because, again, the Euro-US dollar is tanking. It's completely getting obliterated. And I expect and I also anticipate this trend to continue. And this is going to hurt the precious metals, particularly gold and silver. I think other commodities are being affected, but some of them are pretty neutral, and they are ignoring some of the correlative factors of the marketplace. So again, I'm going to talk more about those things. But for right now, I think gold is going to fall. I think gold will fall for the next following session. I think Friday is going to be pretty tough. You might see a relief rally in the Euro-US dollar, but again, at the very end of the day, I like to trade trends. I like to trade longer term time frames, and this kind of comes back to being the main point. Gold's going to fall. I think gold's going to fall over the next several weeks. I think gold might fall on Friday, but then again, it is a half and half day, mainly being the fact that, again, people are gonna might short cover their Euro-US dollar position, and if that happens, the Euro-US dollar might get a little bounce, and that might prevent the dollar from continuing to rally, etc., etc., and etc. So that might cause the gold market to consolidate a little bit. But at the same time, I just have to be a real pessimist going forward for the next several weeks. Sorry guys, I know some of you guys own some gold positions. It's not something you guys like hearing. It's not something I like talking about. Personally, I'd love to say gold to go higher, but right now it doesn't seem to be the case. A lot of factors are working against this commodity currently. So that does it for me for today. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment right below, and I hope you guys make money every single day of the year. So take care, folks, and I'll talk to you guys more on Friday.